when this problem is coming always, there have an option working offline, but when every time on the Outlook and show this one, this time needs to solution is go the settings, then network and internet, then Wi-Fi, then your connection Wi-Fi, which Wi-Fi you are connected. I show you, we are connected this Wi-Fi, this, so we are connected to this Wi-Fi, so click in this Wi-Fi and off the method connection, off this one, this one off, and then is the solution. Then you can check in this automatic one and close again on show. This one is not coming. Thank you.